Hey, everyone, welcome back. Here's a question for you. What if you could gear up for your next survival adventure without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into the top 15 budget friendly survival items that bring serious value without the heavy price tag. And these aren't just any products. We built this list with the input of survival experts, experienced hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts, all sharing what they've found reliable, versatile, and essential. We're covering it all, from survival tools to emergency food options. My personal favorites. Stick around for number 7 and number 4. They're the real game changers for me. Let's kick off our list with a rain poncho. Now, if you've ever been caught in a sudden downpour in the middle of a hike, you know the value of a good poncho. Staying dry is essential to maintaining body heat and preventing hypothermia, especially in extreme conditions. Our choice is the Lugu Rain Poncho Waterproof. Made from 210T ripstop nylon and with a PVC coating, this model is not only waterproof, but also functions as a shelter tarp, ground cover, or even an emergency bivy in a pinch. The poncho is 55 inches by 41 inches, which provides good coverage even with a backpack and comes with snap buttons on the sides to help seal out rain and create a sleeve effect. While it's not as lightweight as some high-end options, that extra durability is great for rugged environments. We recommend this one for campers or anyone needing versatile rain protection that won't tear easily in the brush. Check the description below for more details on this and other items on our list. At number 14, we have a roll of snare wire. This item's primary role is for trapping small animals and fishing, but is also perfect for securing perimeter alarms to alert you of nearby movement or potential threats. We're going with the Kevlar tripwire on a reusable reel for this one, a lightweight but tough addition to any survival kit. With Kevlar, you get 85 feet of wire that's nearly invisible, yet it can support up to 50 pounds in tension, a surprising strength for such a thin line. Its high durability makes this wire resistant to abrasion, weather, and UV exposure, so it holds up in varied conditions whether you're camping or setting up a quick perimeter in unfamiliar territory. One key feature is its reusability. You can easily reel it back up and use it again. While handling requires care to avoid tangling, the wire's strength and compact design make it highly reliable for those needing a quick and effective warning system on the go. Number 13 is a set of reflective mirrors, a must for any survivalist. When you're in a remote location, visibility matters, and a reflective mirror can signal for help across great distances, potentially saving your life. We picked the Jatek Survival Reflective Mirror, a budget set that's compact, lightweight, and durable, fitting easily into any survival kit. Each mirror features a targeting hole for a precise aim, helping you direct sunlight to increase visibility and accuracy in signaling. We noticed that its small size makes it challenging to handle in high wind situations, yet the mirror is crafted from robust, shatterproof material, ensuring it won't easily break even under rough conditions. It remains a great choice for those looking for reliable, easy-to-carry emergency signaling equipment. For number 12, we've chosen a portable pot. This survival item is crucial for water purification and cooking food. Whether you're rehydrating freeze-dried meals, preparing foraged ingredients, or making soups to stay nourished and energized. Lixada. Titanium pot met our standards with a pure titanium construction, making it lightweight at 3.7 ounces and highly resistant to corrosion. Its durable construction means it won't dent easily, even with rugged use. With a 550 milliliters capacity, it's a good choice for solo hikers or small cooking needs. The pot includes foldable handles, adding convenience for packing and carrying, and it heats up quickly, saving fuel when cooking over a fire or stove. Unfortunately, the pot's thin titanium walls don't retain heat as long as heavier materials, so the contents cool quickly. Still, we found it useful for those needing an ultralight, reliable cooking solution in remote areas. For our next item, let's check out a survival shovel. You'll need one to create fire pits, clear debris, dig trenches for water drainage, or even build a shelter. In extreme situations, it can serve as a defensive tool or assist in breaking through ice or hard terrain. We picked Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel for our top, a rugged tool that combines a shovel and pick in a compact, foldable design. Constructed from carbon steel, it balances durability and weight, making it resilient against harsh outdoor conditions. Plus, with just a quick adjustment, you can switch from shovel to pickaxe or pick hoe, adding versatility for various tasks. It folds down to 9 inches by 6 inches and tucks easily into a backpack. The compact size, however, means it may lack the leverage of a full-size shovel, so larger tasks could require more effort. Moving on to number 10, the next survival item to put on your list is a multi-tool. A high-quality one provides quick access to tools like pliers, knives, screwdrivers, and scissors, which can assist with tasks ranging from repairing gear and building shelter to preparing food or cutting rope. The Gerber Gear Suspension NXT is a 15-in-1 multi-tool that brings a lot to the table for budget-conscious survivalists. This model covers essentials from pliers and wire cutters to screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and a sharp blade. Crafted from stainless steel, the Gerber Suspension NXT is built to withstand regular wear and tear, and its spring-loaded pliers offer smoother handling during precision tasks. Its open-frame design reduces weight, and the convenient pocket clip keeps it easily accessible on your belt or pack. While this tool offers plenty of versatility, some users find it lacks the heavy-duty strength needed for tougher jobs. For basic survival tasks, though, it's a valuable budget-friendly option. Number 9 on the list, a paracord is invaluable for building shelters, securing gear, or creating improvised harnesses. It's also a reliable tool for emergency repairs, such as fixing broken straps, laces, or even clothing. We went with the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet, a compact, wrist-worn survival tool that's ideal for quick access in emergencies. This one includes a fire starter, whistle, compass, and a 7-strand, 12-foot paracord rope that can be used for shelter building or gear repair. At only 1.4 ounces, it's lightweight and barely noticeable until you need it. While the compass may lack precision compared to a full-sized one, it still offers general directional guidance. This bracelet works well for hikers, campers, or anyone who wants a low-profile tool with multiple uses. In a pinch, the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet could be a critical part of your survival gear. Number 8 is a survival essential that provides hands-free, reliable illumination in low-light conditions, critical for both safety and functionality. Yes, we are talking about a headlamp, and we've picked the Black Diamond Astro 300 LED. This model offers 300 lumens, powerful enough to illuminate up to 55 meters. With 3 light modes, full, dim, and strobe, you can adjust the brightness to suit your needs, conserving battery life when needed. It's compact at only 3.6 ounces, water-resistant, IPX4 rated, and runs on 3 AAA batteries. Rechargeable options are available, but this design means easy battery replacements in the field. The Astro 300 is a good choice for late-night camp setups, hiking, or emergency repairs, and it's a solid, budget-friendly addition to any survival kit. At number 7, we have an emergency hand crank radio, ideal for remote or disaster-prone areas where other communication methods may fail. For this position, let me introduce you to one of my personal favorites, the Running Snail Emergency Hand Crank Radio. This little device is a true survivalist companion, combining an AM/FM radio, flashlight, and power bank, all in one. Staying informed in an emergency is crucial, and with multiple power options, solar, hand crank, and battery, you'll never be left without it. The 2000 mAh power bank allows you to charge small devices, which can be a lifesaver if your phone dies. It's lightweight at 7.8 ounces and has an SOS alarm, which could be a game changer in rescue situations. The flashlight isn't the brightest, but the radio's versatility more than makes up for it. For emergency broadcasts, light, and device charging, this radio is a reliable budget pick. Time to take a look at number 6 on the list, a first aid kit. You'll need one for treating injuries immediately, preventing complications, and ensuring safety until professional help is available. A nice budget option is the Life Systems Pocket First Aid Kit. Compact and lightweight at just 6.3 ounces, this kit is designed to fit in any pack without adding bulk. It contains 23 pieces, including bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and tape, basic supplies to handle small cuts, blisters, and scrapes. The outer case is made from durable ripstop material, water-resistant to keep contents dry. While it covers the basics, it doesn't have items for more severe injuries, so adding a few extras might be wise. This kit works for short hikes, camping trips, or any adventure where a compact, basic first aid setup is needed. Number 5 on the list, emergency food rations are an essential part of your preparedness kit. These compact, lightweight bars provide the necessary calories and nutrients to sustain you during an emergency when food sources are scarce. We liked the BDH Emergency Food Ration Bars, a compact, calorie-dense option that provides 6,840 calories per pack, split into 12 servings. They're non-thirst provoking with a high carbohydrate content designed to keep your energy up without making you dehydrated. Each bar has a 5-year shelf life, so you can get them for long-term storage in an emergency kit. The bars are dense and not the most flavorful, but they're intended for survival, not gourmet meals. For situations like natural disasters, multi-day hikes, or emergencies in remote areas, these rations provide reliable, no-fuss nutrition. Coming in at number 4, a machete makes for an essential survival tool, particularly in dense wilderness areas. It can help you clear brush, build shelters, gather firewood, and defend yourself if necessary. My favorite is the Bear Grylls Survival Machete with Saw. This 17-inch tool is designed for heavy-duty survival work, with an 11.25-inch high-carbon steel blade that offers a balanced mix of durability and weight. On the back, a saw edge adds versatility, letting you tackle branches or small trees. It includes a rubberized grip for extra control, and the military-grade sheath provides safe storage. The saw edge isn't as fast as a dedicated saw, but it's a great backup feature. This machete is built for survivalists who need a reliable, multi-purpose cutting tool. Ready for number 3? It's a fire starter ferro rod. This tool generates sparks at high temperatures, ensuring you can ignite tinder and create a fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling. Unlike matches or lighters, a ferro rod is durable, long-lasting, and works in all weather. Our choice, the light. My Fire Flint Fire Starter. Ferro rod produces a 5,400 Fahrenheit spark and is good for approximately 3,000 strikes, ensuring plenty of use for long-term survival or camping. The ferro rod is compact, just 3 inches long, and lightweight at 0.88 ounces, fitting easily into any pack or pocket. While it takes a bit of practice to master, it's a durable, dependable option for those who value reliable fire starting gear. Campers, backpackers, and anyone who needs a lightweight, weatherproof fire source will value this tool. We're getting close to the top with a survival water filter. Natural water sources like rivers and lakes may be contaminated with harmful bacteria or parasites. A portable water filter removes these impurities, making the water safe for consumption. One of the most popular options out there, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter, has a filtering efficiency of 99.9999% for bacteria and 99.9% for parasites. Capable of filtering up to 1,000 gallons, it's a good deal for extended trips or emergencies. Lightweight at just 2 ounces, the LifeStraw is easy to pack and use. Simply place it in the water source and sip. It doesn't filter out chemicals, but it's affordable and efficient in regular water, and that's why many hikers and campers choose it. And finally, something no survivalist should miss: a knife gets the top position. A good survival knife can assist in cutting rope, carving wood, and processing game, making it crucial for staying safe and functional in the wilderness. Our top choice is the Morocniv Eldris fixed blade pocket-sized knife with a 0.8-inch thick 2.2-inch long blade made from Swedish stainless steel that is sharp and durable. Its ergonomically designed handle ensures a secure grip, even when wet, and it weighs just 5.7 ounces, so it's easy to carry. The included sheath keeps it safe and easily accessible. The only drawback is its size. It may not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks. However, for lightweight everyday carry, the Morocniv Eldris is a reliable and highly functional knife that can handle a variety of survival tasks. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details on the Morocniv Eldris and the other products on our list. You can find links to purchase or learn more about each item. Thank you for watching our roundup of the best budget-friendly survival gear. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. If you found this video helpful, please like it. Your support helps us create more content like this.